These are my 4.5-month-old bettas. Majority of the bettas in this 10-gallon aquarium are female bettas. I have really enjoyed raising these guys up. This, however, is a small batch of bettas, and the level of care I want to provide for these guys isn't feasible for the amount of space I currently have, which means I likely won't breed bettas again for a little while. As you can see, the ones in this tank are very beat up, though they are all still pretty healthy. The water quality is always good for them, and the cover provided at least keeps them from doing significant long-term damage to each other. Once I am able to move all the males to their own separated areas, there shouldn't be as much aggression. This is the system I currently have going for my male bettas. I can fit 6 in each of these 20-gallon tubs. As you can see, all of these bettas are very healthy and building bubble nests. There are many different colors in here, but the most common from this batch have been blue and red, white and blue, which mimic the mother's and father's colors. However, there are some fish that show some other colors. This one is a female that got beat up in the main tank, and will soon be returned back to the tank. Another frequent color variation I see is these white bettas with blue marble tails. The plants floating at the top of these tanks are a mix of dwarf water lettuce and frogbit, which is an easy way to introduce bacteria to eat ammonia and nitrite, then the plants will eat the nitrates. Here in a different tank is a good example of the blue marble betta. This one's breeder box is unfortunately covered in algae, but it is purple and red, which is very rare. The tank they are in is actually my most established tank, and also happens to house their mother. In my 40-gallon aquarium sits more males. These are the largest males as they have had their own space for the longest period of time. Here, you can really start to see them take on their half-moon shape, growing longer round fins that flow behind them, and when they flare up, their tail fins look like half-moons. These fish are also the first fish I have listed for sale. I'm hoping to get between $5 and $15 depending on the fish. Finally, in my 10-gallon guppy tank is another little female who had gotten beat up. She is fully healed and now just hangs out with the guppies. If you have enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe for more.